Hi, I'm Jenny Fish from One Big Happy Yarn Company, and join me for the Libby lace scarf and hat knit along. I'm so excited about this one. We're gonna take a dive into lace. We're gonna use this heart motif, knit it flat from the chart and in the round. And I'm gonna give you some great tips and tricks on the differences between knitting flat and knitting in the round when you're working off of a chart. I'm super excited about these. We also have the kits available. The kits include all the yarn, and the pattern includes both the charts for the scarf and for the hat. And as a bonus, we also have an additional set of kits that include this amazing Monos silk blend yarn, or this is amazing sheep cheese. So join me, pick up your kit, get one of both if you want, test out this lace knitting pattern. Happy knitting!